Affirmations that really work to attract a specific person with amazing results. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach, and today we are soaring high like a big beautiful eagle, and we're always flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Speaking of dreams and goals, people struggle with vision boards and affirmations and incantations and 5x55s and 3x33s and all kinds of exercises when what we've discovered in our own personal journey is that if you can reprogram your mind while you are sleeping and kind of fade away all those negative thoughts, those limiting beliefs, and increase and amplify those positive thoughts and optimistic and resourceful beliefs, you can attract miracles in your life. And it happens without hardly any effort at all. As much effort as it takes to go to sleep every night. So visit us at www.miracleswhileyousleep.com. That's miracleswhileyousleep.com. Check out the information. This is a limited offer. Now, here we go. Affirmations to help you attract a specific person that really, really work. I found that these affirmations are kind of what we call the creme de la creme. These are the best. But first, before we get into the affirmations, because if you don't have this background information, you really won't know how to use the affirmations to get the maximum impact from them. So, how do affirmations work? Well, it's kind of self-brainwashing. You see, you want to do this, and you want to go this way. Your subconscious mind wants to go this way. This is what we call counterintentions. In other words, you have all these desires to have an incredible, loving relationship with a specific person, but your subconscious mind, it has fears, it has doubts, it has worries, and so it doesn't agree, and it holds you back from what you deeply desire. Now, think about this. What if those counterintentions or limiting beliefs did not exist? It would be so easy to manifest. And that's exactly what affirmations help you do. By repeating an affirmation over and over and over again and emotionalizing it. Neville Goddard says we have to add feelings to the affirmation. We have to add a picture to the affirmation. When we do that, we begin to slowly change our belief system. So I have an affirmation in my shower that I've been doing for years. And when I first started doing it, I thought, no way am I ever going to achieve that. That's impossible. But I stayed with it. I kept doing it. Even though I didn't believe it, I kept doing it. I kept emotionalizing it. And guess what? I've well surpassed that goal. As a matter of fact, the other day I was thinking it's time to rip that one down and put something up there that's more appropriate because I've overachieved that particular goal. So, and you can do that with affirmations to help you attract a specific person. Because oftentimes what's holding you back, high flyers, is your doubts and your fears and your worries. He's dating someone else. He hasn't called me in a week. She's seen someone else. She filed for divorce. All kinds of thoughts go through your head, and none of those thoughts are positive. They're all negative, and they're all designed to take you in the opposite direction of building that incredible love union with the person that you desire to be with. So what are the best times to do affirmations? All day long. I do them when I get up in the morning. Sometimes I do them throughout the day. I used to, when I went to the gym on a regular basis and I was on the treadmill, I loved to do affirmations on the treadmill. You can do affirmations while you're walking. You can do affirmations while you're taking a little cat nap in the afternoon. Whatever time it is, it's affirmation time. It's time for you to reprogram your subconscious mind, because your subconscious mind is the connecting link to the infinite. It's the connecting link to the universe. And the universe, the God force energy within the universe, it can make anything happen in your life. So high flyers, I'd like to share with you a few ideas that I have used to make affirmations a little bit more fun and give it a little bit more energy, a vibratory energy. I think you're going to like how this affects your frequency and how easy these affirmations are to do and how effective they really are. The first way to do an affirmation is based on the teachings of Dr. Emoto. And you can look up Dr. Emoto on YouTube. There's all kinds of videos on him and his science. But you just take a glass of water and you put your hands around it and you say your affirmation. I am enjoying an incredible, loving relationship with Rachel. And our family is prospering and is filled with happiness and abundance. And then, of course, you drink the water down. High flyers, one of my favorite ways to charge an affirmation is with a crystal. And you can use rose quartz for love or a specific person. You can use amethyst. You can use their birthstone. Oh, that's a good idea. But if you don't have any of that, you can always use just a clear quartz crystal. And again, you hold the quartz crystal while you are doing your affirmations. And the quartz crystal becomes attuned to those affirmations. So basically, by carrying this quartz crystal around all day in my pocket, I kind of have affirmational energy taking place around me in my energy field. It's positive. It works. You need to try it. And of course, high flyers, the third method is a candle. And I will oftentimes take a candle and I will do my affirmations holding the candle, visualizing, feeling those affirmations manifesting. And then I will light the candle. And it's almost as if the candle is now sending off those vibratory affirmations into the infinite field of potential. This is very effective, and it's an interesting method to use, especially in the evening. So high flyers, there are a number of different types of affirmations that are effective. I am affirmations are extremely effective because they're in present tense. Now, some law of attraction gurus will say, well, stay away from those I am affirmations because your mind will reject them and your mind won't believe them because it's not true yet. I disagree. I say you do those affirmations until you do believe it. And when you do believe it, magic begins to happen. Things begin to fall into place. That specific person begins to call and chase you. And it's amazing. So I like I am affirmations. I also use we are affirmations. And again, this is another present tense technique. And another method I like is what if affirmations. And what if affirmations are kind of based on neurolinguistic programming. It's a speech pattern technique that kind of lowers the resistance that your mind has. All three are effective, and all three can be intermingled and used together. So high flyers, I'm going to share all three different types of affirmations, but they're all designed to help you have an incredible, loving, positive relationship with that specific person, that person of your dreams. I am in the most loving, passionate relationship with the person I love. We are the most loving couple, filled with passion and deep commitment. What if the person I desire most in this world fell deeply in love with me? So high flyers, with the last 3 affirmations that I gave you, I used all 3 different techniques: I am, we are, and what if. And you can see that by using all 3 of them together, it just like it encapsulates you and it shifts your thinking. How about this one? So simple, yet so powerful. I am love. I am worthy. I am a magnet for the love and relationship I desire. We are in love. We are deeply committed to each other. We are in a happy, lifelong relationship with each other. What if I detach and simply allow the universe to bring me the love and relationship I not only deserve, but I desire? I am filled with an abundance of love, and I attract easily the person that I desire. By the way, high flyers, at any time in these affirmations, as you write them down, you can take, instead of saying the person I desire, you can use the specific name of the person that you're attracted to or that you desire in your life. Here's another what if affirmation technique, and I think this one's extremely powerful. What if attracting the love of my life into my life was easy? I think this is important because oftentimes people think that this is so difficult. It's so difficult. It'll be so difficult to build a relationship with this person. They've pulled away, they're across the country, any number of reasons. But when you start to believe it's easy, the universe acts as if it's easy. What if the love of my life was always reaching out to me, showing me love and affection? We are together now and forever. Oh yeah. High flyers, these affirmations really work. And I'd like you to share your results down below here, because I think other people need to feel motivated to use the power of affirmations in their life to attract their specific person. So share your positive results down below. And here's some other videos that will help you on your travels.